Shit, I'm gonna start posting my newest cops too. Check them out for playing no games. Playing no games. These bitches so sexy. I gotta show off the tattoo. These hoes so sexy. God damn. Just look at them. Let y'all admire them for a while. God damn. That yellow go crazy. And no, I'm not gonna wear this bitch with a Steelers jersey. I might not even throw these hoes on. These bitches so raw. Hold on now. Y'all see it? What y'all think that is? Y'all see it? Stop fucking playing. Stop fucking playing. Damn! 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 Fool. Check it out. Fool. Check it out. Fool. This the real fucking deal. This ain't them fucking replicas y'all niggas be buying. Ooh, them bitches the real fucking deal. Them bitches hard. Oh yeah, these hoes for sale too. 10.5 in men, 12 in fucking women. These the real fucking deal, boy. The real deal with the 3 extra laces. Boys say shoelaces. 3 extra. I don't know, these like a teal type shit. These the cream, these the black. Check these hoes out, yo. Check them out, yo. God damn. These hoes for sale. Hit me up. 10.5 in men's, 12 in women. Brand new. Never put on feet because I can't fit it 10.5. I wear it 12. That's where I fucked up. I got it 12 thinking it was a 12 in men's. I forgot these were women. Women's shoes. But shit, it's all good. Hit me up if you want them. Them bitches ain't going for the low though. I'll let you know that now. These hoes are so sexy. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's mostly workout stuff. Subscribe to my channel. Fucking like the video, share it, anything. I'm gonna start posting videos of my shoes. Cause I be getting a lot of shoes and shit. I don't be wearing most of these motherfuckers. But yeah, like, subscribe, share, comment. I appreciate y'all.